Hello students, welcome back to KB Library Online TV channel. Myself Ramesh Maurya, your chemistry teacher. In previous video, we discussed about many types of chemical reactions. In this video, we are going to discuss the effects of oxidation reactions in everyday life. In previous video, we have already discussed about oxidation reaction. So today we will discuss what are the effects of oxidation reactions in our everyday life. So there are many effects like respiration, combustion, corrosion and rancidity. All these are the related to the oxidation reactions. So first of all, we will discuss about respiration. What is respiration and how it is related to the oxidation. So respiration is the most important biochemical reaction in which release of energy takes place in our cells. As you know that in respiration, the combustion of glucose takes place in our cells, and in this process energy is released. We know that combustion of glucose takes place in the presence of oxygen. So this reaction is oxidation reaction. As you know, this one glucose O6 plus 6O2. You can see here oxygen is there. So it will form 6CO2 plus 6H2O and plus energy. This is the chemical reaction of respiration. So you can see here oxygen is there. In presence of oxygen it is happening, so respiration is oxidation reaction. After that, combustion. Combustion is the process of chemical reaction that occurs in the presence of a fuel and any oxidizing agent to release energy, and it is, in this case energy is released in the form of heat. So combustion is also an oxidation reaction. For example, CH4, this is methane. In presence of oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide, water and energy. So energy will be in the form of heat. So this is combustion reaction, and here also it is happening in the presence of oxygen. So this is oxidation reaction. And after that, third one is corrosion. What is corrosion? This is also very important in our everyday life. You will have noticed that a new iron will have shine on it, but after some time we see that a reddish brown layer will be there on iron. Why does this happen? This is due to the corrosion. So corrosion is the process of degradation of metals in the presence of moisture and oxygen, and the corrosion of iron is known as rusting. Some other metals also get corroded. For example, silver. When we expose silver in moisture and in the presence of air, it will have black layer on it. When we expose copper in moisture and air, it will form a greenish layer. So all these are the effects of corrosion, and corrosion is the effect of oxidation reaction. Corrosion have bad effects on our life, especially rusting, because due to rusting, many buildings, bridges, car bodies will get damaged. So corrosion have very bad effects. So conditions necessary for corrosion. First one is the presence of air or oxygen, and second one the presence of moisture. And factors affecting corrosion. What are the factors that will affect the corrosion? So first of all, the purity of metal also depends, and electropositive nature of metal means how much reactive is the metal. Presence of reactive gases in atmosphere are also responsible for the oxidation reaction. Presence of salts in water and temperature. All these factors affect the corrosion. How can we prevent corrosion? So prevention of corrosion. So by coating the metal with oil, grease or paint, we can control the corrosion. Next one, by coating metal with non-corroding metal on it. Suppose there is an iron which has corrosion, so on it we can put layer of some different metal which will not corrode. So this way also we can prevent corrosion. Iron and steel can be coated with zinc, and this process is known as galvanization. So these are some methods by which we can prevent corrosion. Now we will discuss rancidity. What is rancidity? So you have been noticed that when we expose or we put oily materials or oily food for a long time, it will have bad taste and foul smell. This is the effect of rancidity. Means in rancidity, the food material containing oil and fat will degrade and it will have bad taste and foul smell. And after that, factors affecting rancidity. So there are factors like oxygen, heat, light. All these factors affect rancidity. So after that, prevention of rancidity. How can we prevent rancidity? So by adding antioxidants in the foodstuff containing fat and oil, we can prevent rancidity. After that, by packing foodstuff in airtight containers, we can slow down the oxidation, and by this rancidity will become slow. By filling nitrogen gas in place of oxygen, nitrogen gas will prevent rancidity. You will have noticed that chips packets are filled with nitrogen gas to prevent rancidity. By adding salt also, salt and turmeric, we can prevent rancidity. So by these ways we can prevent rancidity. So today we basically discussed about the effects of oxidation reactions in our everyday life. That's all. Thank you.